Sometimes when you're creating complex model, you need to see wireframe in a solid mode. For this, we are going to Property panel, Object tab, choosing Viewport display, and there switching on wireframe. But it's complex operation and sometimes you need to do it several times. That is why I'll show you how to make shortcut for this operation. Put mouse arrow above wireframe checkbox. Right-click mouse, then choose Assign shortcut. Then press any shortcut that you like. For me, I choose Shift Ctrl W. That's all. You made a shortcut. Now we'll try Shift Ctrl W.